Let's talk about the Leader's Toolkit. Now, I'm sure that many of you have sat in on lectures and seminars with every intention of taking new skills and ideas back to your business and place of work. But how much do we actually remember when we've left the seminar and we no longer have access to the resources? Now, yes, you could read all of these books, but then you're left spending valuable time reading through pages and pages trying to find that one idea from that one particular book. So we have the Leader's Toolkit. Now, the Leader's Toolkit is made up of 54 premium quality, durable cards, professionally illustrated. This simple to use toolkit goes through practical, real advice that you can use from foundation to theory. It allows you to continually reference and implement leadership skills with ease. First up, we have categories. Now, each category is color-coded for easy reference and includes what you can find in each section. The next card we have is instructions and goes through the 3 ways in which you can use the cards. For example, if you wanted to audit your team or build a new team from scratch, you can do so by following the Leader System. The Leader System is incredibly straightforward and simple to use. By following these questions, you're guided to the correct tools that you need to solve each problem. For example, are the fundamentals of a functioning team in place? Yes. On to the next one. Do you deeply understand your team? No. Okay, so we follow the arrows and we see understanding. Now, in the understanding category, we have these cards that cover starting with one-on-ones. Another way of using the cards is to choose a blueprint card based on an issue you wish to solve or a goal you wish to achieve. There are 6 blueprint cards that cover the key management challenges, and on the flip side, a step-by-step formula to solve each issue. We can start by looking at delegating tasks. Delegating task blueprint card covers why delegate, what to delegate, who to delegate to, and when to delegate. We can see here that it's linked to the communication card and what to delegate. So we follow to the communication card and we have the delegation matrix. Now, the delegation matrix, we can simply see who to delegate to, when to delegate, what to delegate, and why to delegate.
The Leader's Toolkit, your pocket management coach. Order yours now at leaderstools.co.